Now, dear student, today we will talk about collage work and we will do one collage also for your better understanding. Collage is very interesting form of art for everyone. Making a collage is fun, easy and creative also. It allows the artist the freedom to approach the medium in whatever manner is pleasing and does not restrict you to any format or materials. First of all, draw a drawing or picture which you want to convert into collage art. In this video, we will make one landscaping collage work. Here we will draw one hut and one tree with the help of pencil. You can collage on about any surface. Popular base materials include paper, canvas, and wood panels. After completing your main subject, draw some stones, rocks, grasses in foreground and in background show some fences, trees, clouds. After completing your sketch, the entire picture will be distributed according to the arrival of light. Indicate the most darkest area with pencil hatching and get the basic idea where you should do dark color and where light color. In this sketch, the light source is coming from top left side corner. According to light source, this all hatchings area denotes the darker values. After completing your basic layout, you will gather all the materials which require for collage artwork. These materials are easily available. You can take one gum, it is Fevicol, and some old magazines or newspaper or colored paper. In this magazine, you will see different shades of color and different values of same color. Now decide the color for suitable area from magazines pages. After pulling out the suitable pages, tear the paper in this way. What did you see? Tear the paper into triangular shape in a small sizes. Gather it lots like this. In this collage artwork, we will not use any tools like scissor. You will do everything by your hand. Now apply glue to the place where you want to paste small pieces of colored paper. Look at this very carefully. I'm going to apply first piece of paper. Stick a piece of paper next to the fine line. To make a paste well, pressure it with the help of any kind of tools, and by doing this again and again, complete it. One thing has to be kept in mind. Start pasting a piece of paper from the edge. Overlap little bit the piece of paper on top of each other. Seeing the appropriate place several times and pasting it. After pasting the light shade paper, you will start pasting the paper of dark shade. Paste the paper well over the surface with the help of any kind of tool. Here I am using a simple pencil like a roller. You will see further process in part 2 video.